slide a vocal and you hear it lock. A wobble straightens into a note like a magnet finding steel. Love it or mock it, that effect has a blueprint. Measure pitch, compare to a scale, pull toward the target fast enough to hear. That is Autotune in one sentence. Natural singing drifts, breath, vowels, emotion all tug pitch microscopically. Digital correction lives in the gap between what you sang and what the song's key demands. One path is human variation. The other is a ruler laid on top. Pitch is how fast your vocal folds cycle per second. Higher hertz, higher note. The software does not read sheet music first. It reads repetition in the waveform, how often the pattern repeats, and converts that rate to a note name. Algorithms hunt periodicity. Autocorrelation compares the wave to delayed copies of itself. Peak alignment reveals fundamental frequency. Noisy consonants get ignored. Sustained vowels give clean readings. Detection is the ears of the machine. Western equal temperament lays 12 notes per octave in fixed steps. Each key on the piano is a target. Once pitch is measured, the plugin asks, which key is closest right now? That nearest neighbor becomes the destination. Retune speed controls how fast you ride to the target. Instant snap sounds robotic and obvious. Slower glide keeps humanity. Mix knob blends dry vocal with corrected signal. Producers hide correction in the blend. Effect forward tracks crank speed for texture. Shift pitch without shifting timing and the spectral envelope. The vocal fingerprint can smear. Extreme correction on large intervals sounds chipmunk or monotone because formants moved wrong. Good settings preserve the throat shape while nudging frequency. Melodyne, manual tuning, and studio comping stack multiple takes. Autotune is one hammer. Live rigs use it for confidence on stage. Bedroom producers use it to finish demos. The diagram is the same: measure, map, move. Here is the twist. Charts are full of secret correction you never noticed. Subtle settings on slow retune are invisible wallpaper. Only the caricature version became the meme. Your ear accepts snapped pitch when the snap is slower than your attention. Replay a effect-heavy vocal and listen for note boundaries. When one syllable lands dead center on a key with no slide. Toggle mindset. Drift is human, grid is choice. Both are valid ingredients, not moral teams. Recap. Pitch is cycle rate in the waveform. Detector finds repetition and maps to a note. Plugin snaps toward nearest piano key. Speed and mix set the vibe. Formants explain robotic extremes. Subtle correction hides. Fast correction shouts. Measure, map, move. Next on Music Sketch. Every piano key is a compromise, and the comma that broke perfect fifths is still hiding inside your favorite song.